Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI website called Databot. So I'm going to explore its features, check out the price list and the pros and cons about this platform to help you decide if this AI website is the best website for you in 2025. So to get started, Databot is the fun hand-on AI body for data exploration. Think of it as the perfect tools for those who like to experiment and think out. It's also surprisingly powerful for its powerful and playful appearance. Now talking about it, it comes with a tons of use, which is surprisingly capable and it won't break the bank. It's lose a point only because it's like the super refined feels of some alternatives. Now talking about the best benefit of this platform comes with a wide range of benefits that make it stand out compared to other AI websites. So one of these benefits is the cost effective, often one of the most affordable tools on the market. It's part of one of the most affordable tools. Then it also has this is super intuitive for beginners, which makes it more accessible for them to use the platform. So talking about the best features, it comes with a solid analysis, fun visualization, and a deep customization, which is part of the key features of this platform that make it stand out compared to other AI competitors. Also, it helps you connect with common source plus some of the niche options. Then talking about support, they have an active community and forum with a tons of helpful users. Now talking about the pricing plan, they have two pricing plans. They have a basic plan, then the upgrade plan. So the upgrade plan mostly focus on the expanding data storage and access to a few specialized features. I'm talking about the basic, which is just for a coolest core. That's just it. It's about $189 per month. Then for the upgrade part, just get back to the website to check out the price list and each features listed for each particular plan. Now talking about the pros and cons, it's good to understand the good side and the bad side of a particular platform to help you decide or make an informed decision about the particular AI website. So I'm not going to review a short advantages and the disadvantages of this AI website. So to get started, it has a super easy to try things out and see what the data reveal, which is part of the good advantages of this platform. Also, it makes data analysis almost feel like a game to you without no stress, and also it is avoidable, way too powerful and analytic. Now talking about the downside, it can lack the polish of some of the more expensive tools, and also reporting options aren't a flashy at some of the competitors platform. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website. Thanks.